how that little appliance works.
Yes, you can see right here, there's rubber bands on each side, and every 2 to 3 weeks I replace the rubber band so there's some tension here. And right here we have a little adjusters that we can put in 1 millimeter or 1/2 millimeter to separate, to give more tension on the device.
So advances your lower jaw forward a
Advances
little bit,
the lower jaw forward, exactly. The more spacers you put in there, so you can adjust each side, or you can adjust them to exactly where you want it.
And you were talking about tooth grinding too. You used to have a problem with that?
Yeah, it's a benefit too. My teeth have been ground down over the years, and now this device will not allow me to grind my teeth anymore. So it's an additional benefit of the device.
Excellent.